I had the pleasure of working with two ladies who took my incredible epoxy class. Yes, you heard that right. And the results were nothing short of stunning. This two-part epoxy class was such a blast because students got to handpick their wood, choose their color, and pour their epoxy, watching their designs come to life. By the second class, it was all about finishing those beautiful pieces, sanding, polishing, and adding those final touches. They even got to use tools for the first time. The best part? Seeing them show off their unique creations with so much pride. The excitement in the room was amazing. The finished boards turned out so beautiful, and each one was totally unique. Want to create your own epoxy masterpiece? Sign up for my newsletter to stay updated and be the first to know when the next class is happening. Or go on ahead and book a class. You won't want to miss it.